All right, guys, it's been 43 days since my rotator cuff surgery, and I wanted to share with you my experience. First of all, I was not able to change light bulbs, wash my hair with extreme discomfort. Had a MRI which revealed a torn tendon, hence the phrase rotator cuff injury. Don't worry, it happens to a lot of us, okay? The only way to fix it is through a surgical procedure, and then, of course, physical therapy thereafter. You will be required to wear a sling. So you'll be ordering your sling before surgery. They'll fit it for you and then practice putting it on. Make sure you know how to put it on. All right. After surgery, this will be on. You'll have to wear loose clothing because you won't be able to really move this much, and jogging pants are recommended, preferably a warmer climate, so you don't have to put as many layers on because you won't be able to move this arm. It is completely numb for 24 hours. Okay, so for 48 hours, you'll be required to have some assistance. If you're kind of stubborn like me, you don't want to bother anybody, that's not going to be the case with this rotator cuff. For 2 days, you need help. And I thank my family, I thank my friends for helping me out during that moment. Also, this sling is the most important thing. This is, in fact, more important than the surgery itself. This had prevented re-injury in many cases. It protected re-injury from me, and as well as from outside unforeseen forces, okay? So you want to have this on as much as possible. Simple things like dishes falling out of the cabinet, or dropping your cell phone, or your neighbor throwing a football at you, not knowing that you just had surgery, are events that you have to protect yourself with, and this sling will do so. Keep it on. Don't be prideful and think, I don't want to be seen with this sling when I walk outside into the shopping center. No, keep it on. This will also make people aware that you have a problem, and that it's like a force field. They will stay away. All right, it's been about 40 days from the date of my surgery to the date that my doctor told me that I could remove the sling. I don't need the sling anymore. I was in my physical therapy for about 3 weeks while I had to remove and put on and remove my sling. They were not authorized to tell me whether or not I could discontinue using the sling. It was up to the doctor. But I'm glad, the longer the better. Now that I don't have a need for the sling, I worry about my own ability to remind myself when it comes down to those work situations not to pick up a heavy bag of concrete or to get up and do any roofing. All right, so you have to make sure for 6 weeks you're going to be going through physical therapy. I've been going through physical therapy now for about 3 to 4 weeks, and time goes by fast, guys. All right, so make sure that you follow your doctor's orders, and if you have any discomfort, don't hesitate to get it done. 45 minutes in the operating room, an hour and 15 minutes in the recovery room, and 3 hours from the time that I walked out of my house till I got to the hospital till I got back home. Wasn't that long at all. So I was having discomfort sleeping, and at times it was painful. 2 days after surgery, took off the Band-Aid, took a shower, no pain med since. So I'm very grateful. I did a PRP injection, but as I found as I was going through the physical therapy, other patients who have had rotator cuff surgery have not had no pain either. Most of them, in fact, all of them, don't even know what a PRP injection is. So I thought the PRP injection was one in which was the reason why I have had no pain, and it appears that I'm expediting my recovery. Well, it just seems to be such a perfected surgery that some of the other patients with much more evasive procedures have gone through only 2 days of pain, just like myself. So don't hesitate. If you have a torn tendon, get it done. You will be thankful. Do not wait. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope I helped out at least one person, and again, I thank all my family and my friends and everybody who has helped me through my journey, and I'm very grateful for you guys watching my video. So have a wonderful day. Let me know your story with your rotator cuff.